quickly show you exactly what we mean by modules or areas on your website. This in itself is an area where you have a bit of text, content, so that would be one area or content module. This would be the second, where you've got a picture and text. This would then be the third. So how do you go about updating these particular areas on your pages? First thing you need to do is go to the back end of your website. If you don't have logins to this, please do email me or contact me straight away so then you can go in and update your site. Once you log on, you need to go to the page editor. Now the page editor will hold all of your pages as well as the tabs on your pages, on the website, sorry. So for example, dining, weddings, these open folders represent the tabs on your website. Underneath these folders, you have the specific pages that fall under that tab. So just as we saw with weddings just now, if you wanted to update one of the areas on the site or the content modules, you'd want to hover over that particular page, so our venue page, edit, manage page content. You don't need to worry about any of the other areas on this hover over at this point. So manage page content, and this will then bring you to an area that you can then edit. So like we saw just now with all the different areas or content areas on the site itself, this is one module where you have text and a picture. This would be the second. This would then be the third, and so on and so forth. So if you wanted to either edit something in this particular module, click edit. And it will bring up the module for you to then go in and make your changes. You have the flexibility of popping out the window so that it's easier for you to work with. So just to run you through exactly what this window will show you, you'll have a reference which will allow you to put in what that actual module is about. So you can name it whatever it is. So for example, perfect wedding venue details or wedding coordinator information. The call to action, which will literally be what exactly are you asking them to take action for, whether it is to contact you directly or to download a brochure. This I will show you in a second or third video. And then you'll have your text area. Now it's important to note that you want your heading for these modules to always be at heading 2. This will mean that Google will be able to pick up the information on this particular page. You can then go in as you would with Word and edit your content. So do use hyperlinks. You can go in and bold content right as you would if you were selling to your customers. And as you scroll down, you'll also see an area that you have to put in an image for. And these have to be 1200 by 800. We have generic images on the Commercial Hub website, which you're more than welcome to use. If not, you can go in and edit your own pictures by using Canva, but you'll need to make sure that these are always at 1200 by 800. Once you've done that, you would then need to submit for approval, and that will then come through to me. If you want to go in and add a new content module, simply add that, and it will bring up the same window for you to then go in and start afresh. A reference, call to action, your content in there, and a picture, and then submit for approval. You can then now do this for your wakes and your prompt section on your websites. For any other questions or information, please do email me or call me directly.